These are some elevators in the UW-Madison Union South. Look at that interesting lantern. Some ThyssenKrupps here. 3. Here are 3. Go down to 1. Here's your COP. Mad BS Classic buttons, like 3,500 capacity, net 88 phone. Interesting cab. Has the older analog indicator that ThyssenKrupp used. It's always cool to see that. Here are 1. I wonder what the other one, because this one has that stupid buzzing light. There goes that. I'll ride this one. Here we go. Yay, no buzzing light. Here are 3. And then 2. Cool. Exact same as the other one. Same weird cab. Not weird, it's like sound. Here are 2, binary went out. Oh, nice. No speakers on these. Alright, there it goes, and that'll be it.